On this episode of Bad Tree Productions, the DAC is back. Well, it never left, but
Part tour and Dodge manure.
the bar tour. So Jason's got to drop the old scanning pan on this crusty old thing. Lubricate his rattler at the same time.
Nice.
Let me grab some towels. I got bunches.
Thanks, buddy. Yeah, I think that was going to come out that quick. But not a lot of threads were in it.
I told you that thing looked kind of suspect.
Yeah, it looks kind of flaky.
So, it is a, what's it? Torque converter? Clutch solenoid?
Clutch solenoid and another solenoid for I think it's for overdrive.
Overdrive solenoid.
And then governor pressure solenoid.
The filter wire in there.
Right.
Springy dingy.
Fabricated a muffler clamp, I guess, using the original, the rubber ones. Just used some ready rod, like 2 pieces at like 14 inches, and then bent them at a 90-degree angle,
Oh, sure.
and stuck them in the rubber
Sure.
hang downs, and then moved. Then I used a muffler clamp then on that, kind of like the threaded rod stuff.
Yep.
The same thread pitch as those muffler clamps, I guess. And that worked kind of good. I was able to adjust the muffler where I wanted it, up and down, and then tighten it at that area, I guess, right where it clamps on.
Yeah, okay.
The governor. Anyway, do this on the bench, I guess. Whoops. Set it right there for now. I took this, I don't know, it's like a servo of some sort.
And that's yet the other clip, correct?
And then this piston comes out of it. And there's that spring that comes in the kit.
Okay, now what was the extra spring for?
Because they break, I guess.
Oh.
Yeah.
So next we're after this here, correct?
Yeah.
That's just got these 3 Torx head.
There.
Looks like we got to make some room on the bench. I'm excited, dude.
One.
You got tranny fluid. That is quite a bit bigger. Yeah. It sits a drop deeper too.
Oh, remember there's that ring kind of around it, that steel plate, that steel.
Right. Yep. Okay. So that's reassembled. Governor, transducer.
Sounds like Jay is making good progress under the Dakota. Not only is he the star of the show, he's also our he's also the top mechanic here at Bad Tree.
Please just get in his way.
Don't tell him we don't have any mechanics. He is the top one. Okay, situation report. This goes through the tranny. We're gonna call it borderline impossible to unplug. I can't see from this side. Oh, great.
Oh, there it is.
There we go. We're getting it. Is it going?
Yeah, we're getting it.
Oh.
I think so, man.
Get the MVP award.
There we go.
Most valuable Pentastar. Look at that, folks.
Got her.
We got her like butt slaughter. Oh. Okay, so the Governor.
Day 3 of
Day 3 of the DAC is back. Installed. That's right there. That's a band adjustment.
Yeah.
Similar to looks like the 904 out of my car.
You bet. So I think the back one is 4 and the front one is 2 or 2 1/4 or something.
Okay. Is there an external adjustments too on these, like the 904 or no?
Yeah.
And there's another.
It'll be a bitch to get to too.
Right. Well, maybe we.
Screw it.
Right. Yeah, we won't. It's not for performance applications. But it's coming along swimmingly once we kind of bypassed part of it by unplugging that. Left factory harness together versus trying to fiddle with that one. Yeah, I didn't get those, so.
Right.
Mangle it.
I can't help it.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, get a big giant dog, they said. It'll be fun, they said.
Mm-hmm.
It's like cleaning up after a giraffe.
Yeah. For the transmission shop. Well, we found your problem.
There's a 6-pound dog turd in it.
Yeah, the filler was full of dog hair.
Yeah, it was full of dog. Well, how'd that happen? All right. We can do a 2-parter. That's up to you. It's 8 o'clock now.
Is it?
Yeah, if you want to keep wrenching or no, it don't matter to me, but we can just let this drip dry all night
Right.
and then slam the filter in and the pan tomorrow.
Right. Good idea.
Okay. Executive decision has been confirmed.
On this episode of Bad Tree Productions,
We're gonna whack some stuff off. Like a muffler.
Like a muffler. Yeah.
And some tank straps.
Oh yeah, if we cut the muffler off, it'll give us more room right away.
Right? Don't you think so? Good idea, right?
Good idea.
Whack off the muffler. And
Yeah. Commence operation whack off.
And wax on a piece of pipe, maybe.
all right.
A piece of pipe you got
Yeah.
that you bought over at Advance. We'll probably stick that on this.
What the I was gonna extend my side dump on the slant six.
Not anymore.
I guess
Yeah.
not.
Oh, got it. How was that? Oh, look at all this room.
Little RTV action.
Oh,
Oh. I might have got that on film, Jeremy.
I sure hope so, 'cause I don't want to do it again. I got it, Jason.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
So,
what Jason cut wrong with the sawzall
Basically, just involved more work for
everybody.
everybody else.
Show, am I?
Not anymore.
No. Damn it.
Gotta go back to-
Oh,
gotta go back to Star
not
Trek.
star of the show.
Tank strap?
Oh, you pig!
What the hell? What's going on there?
It broke.
The clip did?
Yeah, there's no turning back now. I'm going.
Fiddle fork, son? Well, now the clip lined up.
Yeah.
And I just leave that ratchet strap on the front of the tank.
What?
What?
Oh no. Is that boingy too?
Snap.
Yeah.
Well, I made a little bracket so I can. It's kind of uses a factory rubber mounted hangers. Of course, that was all flaked out, so we just made it out of some thread rod. Just bent it the way it needed to be bent. And so, anyway, it should work like this. Put it in there, kind of bent it like that. And then, of course, it's going to fight me every step of the damn way.
It's quite the hanger.
That's cool.
Way to brain that one.
That is super cool.
Here, hold these. Right?
Yep.
Give me one of each.
You got, what do you got?
A nut.
Washer.
There you go.
Cool. No, it slipped in all the way to the end of the bell.
Okay. Right. Now we need half-inch stuff.
2 half-inch wrenches.
Probably, yeah.
Jam that nut shut.
You bet. There we go. Calling her done.
Okay, let's get the heck out from underneath.
Oh. You want to hear what it sounds like?
Oh, let's fire her up.
We got gauges.
Oh, was that ground that was disconnected?
Sounds cool, dude. No brakes.
No brakes? Oh,
You'll be
crap.
fine.
That's kind of funny, isn't it?
Well,
I think that's a wrap on Jay's DAC.
thank God. So then what we got forward to? I might be getting some J heads after Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's decent. We can take the duster up.
Found a set of J heads for a screaming deal on the marketplace. So
Yeah.
guy sounds pretty cool.
Yeah, I talked to him a little bit. He sounds all right. But yeah, like I said, hopefully the weather's good. We can take Blake's car and do a long road test with it. Get some fuel mileage reports out of it, stuff like that. And then I think start to order cam for my car and start that big project, taking the top end down and getting it ready for next spring. All right, well, we'll come back at you with more stuff soon. And remember to like, share, subscribe, and just tell people in general.
Yeah. Please.
Yeah.
Please, please, please. We need it.
We're hungry. Not thirsty, we're hungry.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Take it easy.
Ring a ding.
And that's what we call Wisconsin weight reduction.
Wisconsin weight reduction. That's how you sweep up a truck.
There's your brake line leak right there.
What was it? Was it a leak or a wheel cylinder or what?
Wheel cylinder, probably.
I couldn't hardly tell because it was running clear down the backing plate. It looked like the whole backing plate was flat. Maybe the line.
Well, let's clean this thing out so we can get the other vehicles in here. It's a constant.
Maybe